Solve very fast. 2 raised to power 100 minus 2 raised to power 99. How we can solve 2 raised to power 100 minus 2 raised to power 99? Solution. Two raised to power 100 minus 2 raised to power 99. Then we know that 100 minus 99 is equal to 1. Therefore, let's try and look at how we can manipulate this. 100 can be written as 2 raised to power 99 plus 1, then minus 2 raised to power 99. We know that 99 plus 1 is equal to what? 100. If you have a raised to power x plus y is equal to what? A raised to power s multiplied by a raised to power y. 2 raised to power 99 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 minus 2 raised to power 99. But from here, we have 2 raised to power 99 here, and we have 2 raised to power 99 here. Let's factor it out. 2 raised to power 99 into 2 raised to power 1 is same thing as 2. 2 minus 1. 99 times 1 is the same thing as, well, 2 raised to power 99. Therefore, our final answer is 2 raised to power 99. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.